Henda yanduna, it is what it is in the swingers of horn is already. Aunana zwing and the chikorore nepo. Unibaba hone high weekend ever for us of the Gamanda, Madikita, after with Dikita, the Kwamba, venda lot, Riziko Buya. Me, Sondarodanga says no, ango. Ri, Uzura unafungo. So I tell upon in this war Arab with the Zifa can also find Rick Ross over Kodapon South Africa. And the Oswika the Chikaranyana Hone, I could do a pepper Mafitonanga, Deben, East London, Mahikeni, aka Mafikeng. Pedzing Mafungane as the chair, then on Sanda, no Summers as a contract, Zukosia Zukubangori, a song performer. As Musindi Nabiori, Osuka Hayajia, a Jenna Paka Instagram live, Abakwam Bangandela in a promoter as a quitter zone. One about Trimshimo, Gamrams Oscar target more promoter, promoter a blog party na kotuitea. Hanging Nicola Mofikeni, Yamahikeni, Inavori, promoting as in the Cabello. But this is a she want a screenshot on Epa. Chams Cabello and I correspond as no regrossa combazono rai. Ntwana, Mfeit, Eni, Inda, Amsanda, I could do never quit a zone. Maruna, Wapa, Combori, catching on each one, which one up, Comboneposofi. Who could move at this event to another place or another venue, never in the parking a stadium. This is fake. I don't understand the manji. Whenever one video, you know, Wakono Fessory, Bungabo Quetia meaning. Comes one of those Fangal Wendira. Pay these numbers on this order. Bangabara Bunja is to Rama Pungamanjika www.swachitangani.co.za. But download the music wa mahara at www.venrepradiostation.co.za. Me kadibandi duka ni suhana ni mwana wa mahunguni abara ni nyamarare amara here rejoin bamwe ukuluwa murenje afanda matelu chere
Durban, the business one, right? Maha King, y'all should stone him. He just, I don't know what he doing. But anyway, man, salute everybody that came out, showed us love. You know what I'm saying? We still swerving. You know what I mean? Everybody who bought tickets, y'all go stone Maha King promoter. He just, I don't know what he doing. But anyway, man, we gonna have a good time. Y'all stay tuned. We gonna keep y'all posted.